Okay, I'm making another Battle Cats video, and in this video, my friend Connor, um, he wanted me to show him, um, okay, he wanted me to show him one of my favorite cats, but I didn't want to bring my tablet to school, so I'm making this video, and I made this list, and I just made I put all my favorite cats into this list, and yeah, some of them I already used, like Necromancer Cat and Theft Cat, um. But I'm gonna start an early. I'm gonna do an earlier level and use my favorite cats. Okay. Oh, normal cat isn't my favorite cat, but I'm using it just because it's cheap and it does the job. Same thing with Brave Cat. Oh, I opened some rare tickets, so there's some of them that I haven't really shown yet, and I'm just gonna send them one at a time. One of my favorite ones is the Gardener Cat. I showed Rocker Cat, and this one's kind of like it. It walks super slow and then it goes snip, 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 and it attacks super fast. Bam, bam, bam. And it doesn't even stop. Like, look at that. Oh, it got hit. And this is the cat that I wanted to show my friend. It's called Hipster Cat, and he does a funny dance. And then he wall. Oh wait. Oh no. Going. Yeah, there's too many guys there, so I just send him back up. There's Swimmer Cat, which I've shown in another video probably. Ba-na, na, 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 na. And then there's Cow Cat, Draft Cat, sorry. And there's Wheel Cat. It's a wheel, he just kind of spins around and shoots fireballs. And then the other two you've seen if you watch one of my other videos. So now I'm just going to try to beat the level, which should be pretty easy. And then I'm going to go into my equips and see if there's any cats that I'm going to see if I can try to remember any cats that I didn't show in the last video. Yeah. Oh, nice. And I'm going to go to equips. These are all the normal cats. Special cats. Rare cats. Pogo Cat I think I showed. Oh, there's Psycho Cat, and he kind of just bends the spoon, like makes the spoon grow super huge, bends the spoon, and then throws it like a boomerang. What else is there? There's super rares. Oh, there's Hip Hop Cat. Oh, I got another super uber rare, and it's the Neglecko Cat, I think. Nicogla. And he just kind of, here, I'll just switch him out really quick. Wait, who got 600? And he just kind of scuttles around on his butt, and then he kicks. Oh, wait, does he kick or punch stuff? But he's really creepy. Oh wait, actually, while I'm at it, I might as well show Psycho Cat as well. Clips. Is he a super rare? No, he's a rare. Rare cats. And then there is Psycho Cat. Psycho Cat. This guy. So now I'm gonna show you what Psycho Cat looks like and Nikogo. I'm not even gonna try. I'm just gonna say the creepy one. Man, he cost a lot. Oh, I said brave cat on accident. I think the brave cat might actually hit the tower. Yeah. I'm just gonna wait until I can actually get enough up here. And yeah, I can get enough. Oh, another thing that my friend showed me that you could do. You can actually zoom out. It was one of the newer updates. And then I'm gonna send Psycho Cat or Psychic Cat or Psycho Cat. I don't know. You can see the spoon grow, and then he throws it, and it bends. Yeah. Fire. Come on. This. Oh no, I hit the wrong button. I meant to show. This one isn't even that good. The Nikogla thing. Mm. There we go. Does he kick or does he hit things? Yeah, he hits things. He just kind of scuttles around. And then he takes out his hand and hits stuff. Oh, no treasure. So I showed all my favorite cats, and that is it for the video.